I just heard about a revolutionary new iron. It steams and it presses. I gotta see this, don't you? Come on.
Okay, this iron has what we call iTouch technology. When you touch it, it lowers itself down and steams. Take your hand off, it raises itself up and stops steaming. That way you're never going to burn or scorch anything. And you do leave this iron in that position at all times. No stress on your wrist, you never lift it up and down, and it's not going to fall off your ironing board. That is the #1 reason people replace their irons. Now the faceplate is a bead-blasted stainless steel. Nothing will scratch it, nothing will stick to it, and it's forming a protective vapor barrier between the material and the iron, so it feels like the iron's just floating, but more importantly, it's cutting your ironing time in half. Just slowly glide up the shirt. It has what we call one-pass technology. Up one side, back down the other, and that quickly I just did both sides of that shirt. Now you can slide your shirt over and glide straight down over the buttons. It's not going to scratch your iron. It's not going to melt your buttons. That is good on buttons, beads, pins, even on sequins. Would you touch a regular iron to that shirt? That's on the highest setting in the steam mode. It is safe on every material in the highest setting. Now if anybody does any sewing, has any pants or skirts with pleats, ever have to form a hem, all you have to do is form that hem or pleat, set your iron on it. Now your iron's working as your weight. You've got both hands free to work your way all the way up the garment and save yourself a ton of time. Isn't that cool? That's not the coolest part, folks. This is. Watch this. You can actually stack several garments on the ironing board, moving a little bit, folks, on the ironing board at the same time and iron them all at once. You can do 5 or 6 t-shirts, up to 8 linen napkins, both legs of your pants. The key to this iron is just to move slower, but get done faster with very little effort on your part. Watch how I do these. Just slowly gliding down the material. The more layers you stack up, the slower you're going to go, the faster you're going to get done. Check this out. I just did both legs of those pants that quickly. Now we've also got this handy dandy little feature, folks. Look at this. No more puckered pockets. Nice deep pocket groove. Slide it in, get the inside, the outside of your pocket. Isn't that cool? Do your waistband, snuggle up underneath that little belt loop and get it smooth. And now just slide your pants over. Don't let that zipper scare you, folks. Nothing is going to damage the bottom of that iron. Now it is designed to fill with regular tap water, and it's not a pressurized iron, so you can open it right there on the side while it's hot, fill it up, close it up, and it's heated up in 8 seconds flat. There is no downtime with this iron. So why do I have that temperature control? It is 3 appliances in one, and when I click this little lever to the left, I now have a dry iron, but I no longer have that protective vapor barrier. So in the dry mode, you do want to change temperatures with materials. When I get down here to this lowest setting where it says synthetic, it's actually safe on paper, leather, vinyl, and suede. It's the only iron on the market that's safe on those materials. If you do any crafting, that's an awesome feature. Now click it back up to steam on the highest setting. Again, it's only going to take 8 seconds to heat back up, and you can use it as our 3rd appliance, and that is a garment steamer. And it produces what we call a cool, dry steam. Feel that. What that means, folks, is it's not going to stretch or shrink your material and get your garment out of shape. Watch those wrinkles. Touch the garment with the iron, hit the steam button and glide over it, and there you go. Not only did I just remove the wrinkles, I also killed all the odors and germs in that jacket, so you're saving on your dry cleaning bills. Now it is safe to iron directly on black and navy blue. It's not going to turn it shiny. And on velvet, corduroy, and ultra suede, it's not going to ruin the nap on your material. It's truly safe on every material in the highest setting. Now folks, this is a professional iron with 1,800 watts. We don't normally retail it, and in 2006, we were awarded Time Magazine's Best Inventions Award, and we're very proud of that. Every piece of metal in that iron is stainless steel. It'll never rust or corrode, it'll never leak or spit rusty water. Has a swivel cord that won't crack or break, and check this out. We've got a 10-foot cord. Now you can move your ironing board away from the wall, go to your windows, steam your curtains right on your windows, and if you want to kill the odors, germs, and dust mites in your mattress, put your sheets on your bed and steam them. It's not going to soak the mattress. Do the same thing with your pillows and upholstery. One last thing, folks, and I'll get to the price. To do a tablecloth, just put one cloth underneath it and iron it directly on your table. It's safe. It's a cool, dry steam. Now, how much is it? Where can you get it? Online, it is $199.99 plus shipping and handling. Comes to about $240. We only give you a 6-month warranty. Now, since this is a special promotion here at the show, folks, we've reduced that price to $169.99. We've increased the warranty to a full 2-year unconditional replacement warranty. What that means is if you can figure out any way to damage that iron in the next 2 years, I don't care if you run over it with your car. Call us up. We're going to ship you a brand new iron, no questions asked.
That's right. If you take advantage of this special internet offer, you will receive the Aliso Steam Iron and the 2-year warranty, all for just $169.99. That's an amazing value. Get yours now. Here's how to order.